Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Yelp for Business app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Yelp for Business is a platform designed to help business owners manage their presence on Yelp, engage with customers, and attract new clients. The app allows users to claim or update their business profile, upload photos, respond to reviews, and track customer leads. It also offers tools for running promotions, monitoring page views, and accessing insights into how customers interact with your listing. In terms of performance, many business owners appreciate the convenience of managing their Yelp page on the go. The ability to quickly reply to reviews, update operating hours, or post new photos helps keep their profile fresh and engaging. The analytics dashboard is another highlight, providing data on customer activity and helping owners understand what drives engagement. However, some users mention downsides such as occasional glitches, limited customization options for profiles, and the challenge of dealing with negative reviews that may not be removed even if disputed. Additionally, certain promotional tools come with costs, which might not suit smaller businesses with tight budgets. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Yelp for Business app may be worth using if you want an accessible way to manage your online presence, engage with customers, and gain insights into business performance. It's especially beneficial for local businesses looking to attract and retain clients. However, if you're looking for extensive customization or free promotional options, you might find its limitations a bit restrictive. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.